More than 80 people signed up to address Board of Health members tonight, but ahead of that meeting, one downtown business owner sharing his questions about this policy with us. A parental leave policy up for discussion tonight. It would mandate that all employers in Allegheny County pay 100% of an employee's base pay for 18 weeks of parental leave. And this would apply to all new parents, regardless of whether they are the birthing parent. That includes adoptive parents and legal placements as well. Eligibility would kick in after 30 days of employment. That's where Redbeard's owner, Len Simplis, has questions.
We have a 90-day probation period for any new hire. And after that 90 days, if it didn't work out, we can let them go or they can leave or vice versa. So that's really going to be hard when you have that. It's going to be hard to figure it out.
Simplis says the eligibility requirements paired with the quick turnover often found in the service industry could pose a challenge. I took his questions to Allegheny County's Director of Communications, Abigail Gardner.
When is someone eligible for this is definitely an area where we want to hear thoughts from people. There are lots of different kinds of jobs out there. People might not be on job sites for very long. They might be kind of temporary employees. And so actually hearing that feedback from small businesses is really useful.
And while Simplis questions the possible impacts on small businesses and their employees, he says he's not against paid parental leave.
I'm not saying I'm against, a full-time employee that's been here and, goes on maternity leave. I personally would pay it anyways. That's the type of person I am. If it was a law, if it wasn't a law.
More than 400 people have already shared their stances on this policy via the county's website. Gardner says they want to hear it all.
I think we're really sincere when we say we wanted people's feedback. We proposed this policy, this article adjustment, as a starting point to get the conversation going and to hear from people about paid parental leave. Almost every other country in the world has paid parental leave except the United States. 14 other states have mandated it.
And that meeting underway now. More on this story tonight at 11 o'clock. Covering Allegheny County in downtown Pittsburgh, Kaylee Gunderson, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.